I'm Troy Brown, the San Joaquin County Superintendent of Schools. Welcome to the FabLab, the San Joaquin County's Office of Education's high-tech makerspace, which is just one way we are preparing students in the region for 21st century careers.
Students can expect to learn by doing something. The different zones in the FabLab are Build It. There are students building inventions right now. There's Mill It, which has our CNC mills. We have a Wire It lab full of electronics and inventions. Sometimes we add in 3D printed pieces. Students can print whatever they've designed in the Print It lab. We also have a lot of computer-aided design that students use here, either for the laser cutter or something that'll be made into a sticker, all sorts of stuff. Students learn here by doing something, by coding, by imagining. We get to use STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, in fun and creative ways. It's such an engaging space, and students from all over the region get to come here. There is so much here, so much equipment, a lot of energy, and the support of the largest STEM program in the state. It's an amazing opportunity for the entire region.